wanted to show an example of how you can add a convenience fee to the reservations. In this axe throwing example, let's click into axe throwing and populate the flow. So we'll do one person for Thursday the 25th, 1 hour, 5 p.m. You can see here that a grand total with the rules that are associated with it show up here, but there isn't a convenience fee. Let's go ahead and add that into the experience. So we'll go into the admin and we will then go to the booking schedules and then we'll view edit the schedule. From here, let's click the green edit schedule settings, and this is where we're going to find the majority of the rules that show up on that customer facing side. So within general is where we can scroll down to find add convenience fee. Once we click it, we are shown a percentage breakdown. You can have this be whatever you'd like, really, but we'll throw in a 10% convenience fee on this. Even scrolling down, this is the same spot you would do tipping and things of that nature. But let's save the settings as we have for 10%. Now, I will view this schedule and we will be populated to the user experience. So whether it's iframed into your site or a link, now the customer will choose the date, the time that they want, and they will input their information and then be shown a convenience fee on the front end. So that's customer facing. Now, of course, if a walk-in comes in, you'll be able to, on the same, in a similar fashion, is add reservation on the right-hand side. I guess we could pick a particular day if it was in the future, but walk-in is coming in, so we'll add the reservation. And let's call it one player. Next, choose the date. Same sort of flow that the customer-facing experience is. You can do this here in the back admin. Search that user. Otherwise, you'll fill out the information for them, and then again, the convenience fee shows up. This is a line item that does get emailed to them, so they'll be able to see it and they'll see the total cost as well. Thank you.